Hey guys, just a quick video. Haven't rode the bike in over a month, so decided to check the batteries, and surprisingly these BMSs do not drain the cells very much. It only charged for like maybe a minute, and it's satisfied, so these are good. Just going through these ones I built last year. These are from the old cells that I used years before, the 20 amp hour. There were this one's here. Those ones in the back there. Pretty good cells. They lasted about 10 years, and I'm still getting use out of them. 100%, 13.1 volts. There is a BMS built into these that I added, and they work great for backup. I use them on stuff like this here, 300 watt, porta watt, for charging phones and lights and stuff. You might even be able to run a furnace off of this if you have two of these chained together. There you go. Just in case, you never know you need it, right? When you need it. So I got that for that. Because given the situation in the world, it's good to have this stuff around. These ones here, they're great for the e-bike, but what they also do is they make as a battery backup. Building this DC to DC inverter here that I was using for a Class D amp, and this will plug directly into the pack and drop it down to a usable voltage like 12 volts from 48. So they got a number of uses. This winter I'll probably be pulling these apart. I got to go through all the cells, especially this one, check all my welds, make sure none of them have popped off. You don't want a cell sitting there too long uncharged, it'll go bad. This one here I've had no problems with. Obviously if one of these connectors were bad it would have showed up. So using those bullet connectors actually worked. Didn't think it would. And they didn't melt, but we'll find out when we take it apart. I also want to find a better way to wrap the cells together. Right now we're using packing tape, so that's not the best idea. The bike. A few things I want to do to it. One is, one of my pet peeves with it was always these wires on both sides coming apart and bunching and everything else. So what I want to do is I want to grab this stuff here. Actually works pretty good, the nylon. So I'm just going to basically wrap those in nylon and be done with it. It'll be, if it's going to hang like, it's going to sag like that when the shocks are moving, it's going to be one piece instead of two. Just looks retarded. Yeah, other than that, the bike hasn't given me any issues other than the weld breaking in the bottom of the fork here. We got to look at that. I'm not too worried about it coming apart. I got a machine bolt going all the way through it. Partial way, anyway. Oh, through here to here, so it's not all the way through. We'll see about that. That controller stays. That's the one that works with... where is it? That motor down there. It's about 800 watt. That works great with the ebikes.ca motor. It doesn't even get hot, but it's got a ton of torque. I'm more than happy with that. I'm not looking to fry that, so it's a good motor. This one, on the other hand, gets nice and hot, but it cooled all the way through the summer. And those 3 fans I got in there did a decent job of keeping it cool. I never smelt it once, so that's a good thing. We're going to be pulling that off and doing some more mods on it. I would like to be able to put a controller on the front of this bike that doesn't have a limit on it. You know what I mean? It's got more programmable functions on it. Well, I mean, I have the huge one that's Bluetooth, but that's just too big for this bike. The weight alone it makes the bike feel like a tank. It's got to be small, even smaller than this, but still have the same amount of power. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm probably going to go with a higher end. I'm going to do away with the $40 controller. That's about it. Not much more I can tell you. We'll have some more mods and battery repairs and that shortly. But I'm pretty busy, so we'll see what we can do. Anyway, take it easy, guys, and I won't do another one of these update videos. I'll just basically start posting projects. Take it easy. Whoop.